Moby, guess what? Members of the bartender team will be at the Family Fun Day pop-up November 11, 2023, Harmony Beach. Be there and meet your favorite bartender cast member. Also on sale, bartender merchandise. Harmony Beach, November 11, the Family Fun Day pop-up. Check it!
Yeah, so to be honest with you, Jonathan, it's driving me up the wall, brother. She's making a mess of everything. I have to be backpedaling on a whole heap of stuff that she signed off on, and the ministers and the other administrators are just not happy with her. So what do you think I should do?
Well, you'll be happy to know, sir, that you can now approach your favorite witch doctor.
Really?
With the information that, oh yes. Yes, you should have seen the fear in her eyes when I went to her office the other day.
Oh, yes.
Sorry, I stand corrected. That's your office.
Ha! Well done, well done. So we haven't really had a briefing on that. So you have enough concrete evidence that this won't backfire on us. I can deal with it now.
You can deal with it now, sir.
Okay.
No backfiring.
Alright, that sounds good. Yeah, man, I really need to address it. Tell me something. You found out anything else as far as the agency goes?
Well, you know, remember that young man that was always around Angela Bridges?
Her shadow.
Remember her? Her shadow. Turns out his code name is Whisper, real name Christopher Walker. But when we meet in person, then I'll give you that information, and that should be more than enough to take down the Mullings and his band of misfits.
Jonathan, so like you're ready to take the seat, man. That's great news.
Yes, sir. And I'm going to be sending you some additional information on Dr. Maxine Grant. Your name don't even roll off my tongue that easily. I'll be sending you some information on her quite soon. In a few minutes, actually.
Okay, that sounds good. Alright, so yeah. I don't want to labor this point too much on the phone. So let us meet up tomorrow and we can go through it.
Sure thing, sir.
Alright, excellent. Whatever information you have, send it to me now and let me have a look at it.
Alright, I'm on it.
Alright, I'll talk to you.
Yes, sir.
Wow. This is perfect. I think I'll go to the office right now.
Oh, Mr. Wallace, I didn't hear you come in.
I think you really mean to say Minister Wallace and not Mr. Wallace.
No, sir. I said what I said. Is that why you're here?
I don't have any time for your foolishness. Let me ask you a question, Maxine. And for once, answer me straightforward. Tell me that you didn't have my personal secretary write a petition and actually get some persons to sign off on it for your bush medicine to fight against the new COVID strain. Tell me, say I dream that up.
I see. Your little songbird came singing to you once again. Lovely tune. Marcus, you seem to forget that I don't normally beat around the bush. Get it? Bush doctor? No sense of humor? Ah, Marcus, lighten up a little bit, please. Oh, and by the way, remember, she's now my personal assistant.
She's now your temporary assistant.
Tomatoes.
Maxine, you know you're the only person that actually did any studies on this thing. So why are you pushing it when you actually have no real proof that it will work? If you kill people, it's not going to depend on your hand, you know.